Ted's Woodworking, the ultimate collection of 16,000 woodworking plans. Introduction, 0 o'clock to 0:30. Background music fades in, inspiring and creative. Subtitles at bottom centered throughout the entire video. Narrator, are you passionate about woodworking? Whether you're a beginner or an expert, Ted's Woodworking is the ultimate resource for all your woodworking needs. With over 16,000 woodworking plans, this collection will help you build amazing projects with ease. Stick around to learn how Ted's Woodworking can take your skills to the next level. Text overlay, Ted's Woodworking, access 16,000 step-by-step woodworking plans. What is Ted's Woodworking? 0:30 to 1:30. Narrator. Ted's Woodworking is the largest collection of woodworking plans available, with over 16,000 detailed plans covering everything from furniture to small craft projects. Each plan includes step-by-step instructions, material lists, and detailed diagrams to ensure your success with every project. Stock footage of woodworking projects, people following plans, and assembling wood pieces. Narrator. With plans for every skill level, Ted's Woodworking offers something for everyone, whether you're creating a small bookshelf or a complex outdoor shed. Keywords: Ted's Woodworking, woodworking plans, build furniture, woodworking guide, step-by-step woodworking. How Ted's Woodworking works, 1:30 to 3, Suruloro. Narrator. So how does Ted's Woodworking work? After signing up, you'll get instant access to the full collection of plans. Each plan is clearly laid out with detailed diagrams and easy-to-follow instructions, so you never have to guess what comes next. Everything is designed to make your woodworking projects a success. Visuals of the Ted's Woodworking interface showing the collection of downloadable plans. Narrator. No more confusing or incomplete plans, just simple, effective designs that help you build like a pro. Keywords: woodworking plans, detailed diagrams, easy-to-follow instructions, build like a pro, beginner woodworking. Why choose Ted's Woodworking? 3 o'clock to 4, Suruloro. Narrator. With Ted's Woodworking, you're not just getting plans. You're getting access to a comprehensive woodworking resource. In addition to the 16,000 plans, you'll also receive bonus guides, tutorials, and tips to help you master your tools and improve your skills. Footage of woodworkers using tools, completing projects, and showcasing finished pieces like chairs, tables, and outdoor structures. Narrator. Plus, the variety of plans means you'll never run out of creative ideas for your next project. From beginner projects to advanced builds, Ted's Woodworking covers it all. Keywords: woodworking tutorials, woodworking tips, improve woodworking skills, woodworking projects, master woodworking, success stories and benefits, 4 o'clock to 5, row. Narrator. Thousands of woodworkers have already transformed their craft with Ted's Woodworking. The step-by-step plans and detailed guides make it easy to complete projects you never thought possible. Show testimonials and photos of finished projects from Ted's Woodworking users. Narrator. One user said, Ted's Woodworking took my skills to a whole new level. I've built everything from furniture to garden sheds, and the plans made it all so simple. These results are why Ted's Woodworking is trusted by woodworkers everywhere. Keywords: woodworking success stories, Ted's Woodworking reviews, woodworking projects, woodworking testimonials. How to get started with Ted's Woodworking, 5 o'clock to 5:30. Narrator. Ready to unlock thousands of woodworking plans and start building your dream projects? It's easy. Just click the link in the description or visit bit.ly/3 to get started with Ted's Woodworking today. Text on screen, click the link now bit.ly/3 Keywords: start woodworking, download Ted's Woodworking, woodworking plans, build your dream projects. Call to action and end screen, 5:30 to 6, Suruloro. Narrator. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more woodworking tips, project ideas, and tutorials. Hit the subscribe button now or visit bit.ly/436 to join our community. Text on screen, subscribe now bit.ly/436. Narrator. Thanks for watching and good luck on your woodworking journey with Ted's Woodworking. End screen with clickable options. Watch next video, vertical bar, subscribe now. YouTube video description. Title: Ted's Woodworking, the ultimate collection of 16,000 woodworking plans. Description: looking for the largest collection of woodworking plans? With over 16,000 detailed plans, Ted's Woodworking is the ultimate resource for anyone passionate about woodworking. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned woodworker, These step-by-step plans will help you create amazing projects with ease. In this video, we show how Ted's Woodworking works and why it's the best choice for woodworkers worldwide. Ready to start your woodworking journey? Click the link to get instant access today. Get access to Ted's Woodworking here, bit.ly310. Subscribe for more woodworking tips and tutorials. bit.ly3. Keywords: Ted's Woodworking, woodworking plans, DIY woodworking, build furniture, step-by-step woodworking, woodworking projects, detailed diagrams, beginner woodworking. Tags: #Ted's Woodworking, #woodworking plans, #DIY woodworking, #build furniture, #step-by-step woodworking, #16K woodworking plans, #woodworking success, #woodworking tips.